Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a new video today. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how in the last 3 years from 2018 to now 2021, how I was able to go from having only $500 in my bank account to having over 100K saved up. And I'm going to give you guys my journey, each breakdown year by year by what I was doing and how much I was making and basically what I was doing with my money at the time to save up to 100K in cash. All right, I'm talking about cash, not net worth. I'm talking about liquid cash, hard money, cash, all right, available, right? So at the end of 2017, moving into 2018, I only had like $500 in my bank account. I have a screenshot here somewhere, but I only had that much. And I was at a point where I was like, okay, damn, like I'm definitely not doing well with myself and not having any type of money saved up. I was working as a personal trainer at the time and I was making about $2,000 per month. And I was about 21, 22 at the time, something like that. I think 22, but I was making around $2,000 a month, but I had no savings basically, right? And I had nothing saved up. But I knew that at that time, something needed to change. That year and before that, I was spending a lot on online shopping. I basically just bought the most random things. I bought a bedazzled hat from Urban Outfitter that I never wore. It looked cool at the moment and then I bought it and then now it's donated. Like I didn't do anything with it, right? So a lot of dumb shopping, a lot of dumb online shopping. But I realized at that time, like I needed to get my shit together and I needed to start saving more money and I needed to figure out a way to make more money as well. Invest into something, start something. I knew I needed to start something. I knew that personal training, I couldn't do it forever. I needed an exit plan. And this is how I led to starting my Amazon business. Speaking of which, let's get a full update on my Amazon business right now. There you go, over $500,000 in the last 12 months. That's how my business is doing and that's how I've scaled it up. So give the video a like, a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm because I think it helps me grow my business further and give you guys more motivation and more inspiration. So I think it's a win-win scenario for all of us. So like the video, thank you. So moving forward from there, I knew that Amazon was a business that I was interested in. So I did more research and everything in 2018 and that's when I realized like I needed to start saving money as well. So in that time, I started saving instead of spending and I was able to accumulate about $3,000 into my savings during 2018 and I started investing that money into my own Amazon business. During that year, I had some wins and some losses. My first product was doing well, but then it ended up dying off and then I tried launching 2 more products and those were total busts. And so at the total of the year, I lost like $10,000 trying to do the Amazon business and launching products. So that sucked. But the good thing is that whole year, I basically stopped spending money on like shoes and clothes and things like that. And I literally started budgeting everything down. So I downloaded an app called EveryDollar, which is the budgeting app I use even to this day. And I started to keep track of all my expenses and every dollar I made, I just put it back into the Amazon business. And then every dollar I made from Amazon, I just put that back into the business as well. So although I lost like $10,000, I still was able to accumulate some money after that. And I still had like $3,000 by the end of the year. Moving forward to 2019, this is where I started to push my personal training business harder at the same time because I knew that I had to do well in my personal training to funnel more money into my Amazon business. So in 2019, I started to make about $3,000 to $4,000 per month doing my personal training business, but I was working really long hours. I was working like 12-hour days and I would get home and I'd work on my Amazon business after that at night. So that was basically all of 2019. I didn't spend anything. I didn't buy any new clothes. I barely went out. I went out maybe once a week with my friends and that's about it. But other than that, it was go to the gym to work, then go back home and work on my Amazon business. And then on the weekends, maybe go out with my friends and that's about it. So I didn't spend money on anything other than that. And so I was able to save more money and every dollar that I made in 2019, I put it back into the Amazon business. And from every dollar I made from my Amazon business, I put that back into the business again, right? But 2019 was a good year because that was the first year that I had success with my Amazon business. This is where I launched my first successful product around like March, April. And then I scaled that and used that money from the first product to launch another product. And that business started to grow even further. So I had 2 successful products from there. I made about $8,000 my first month with that product, and then I scaled it up all the way to $100,000 in December of 2019. Not 100K profit, but 100K in revenue, right? And so that year, I made maybe about like almost $90,000 profit total from the Amazon business. But again, I put all of that back into the Amazon business and reinvested it back into it. Quick side note, guys, pardon this interruption, but I wanted to give you guys an update that I've actually rebranded my Amazon FBA mentorship program and course. So before it was the Amazon Business Society course or program, and that was a mouthful. It was so long, pretty basic, and it just came off the top of my head that I just went for it. But I've rebranded into something new that's something more like fitting to me and what I believe in, and it's called the Fba Boss Academy. So I have a completely new site. Shout out to my boy Mario for redesigning the website. So the Fba Boss Academy is the new rebranding of my course and mentorship program. Link in the description for you guys to check it out. But basically, there are 2 options you guys have it to be able to work with me. So number 1 is the silver program, which just gives you the basic step-by-steps of everything I've done from start to finish to where I'm at now. The course is always updated every month when I feel like I can put very valid information in there, and not something that's always constantly changing. So it's always updated when necessary. And this silver program is best suited for those who just want to learn the step-by-steps and do it on their own. They can go ahead and join a student group where you can get questions answered and attend live streams, but it does not include any coaching calls or any one-on-one messaging. It's just you're put into a student group where you get to interact with other students and myself as well. So that's a silver program. If you are somebody who wants something more hands-on, more mentorship type, more one-on-one, then apply for the gold program. So the gold is application only. This is including all the step-by-step course, but alongside with the student group and the live stream, you also get coaching calls and also one-on-one messaging with me. So you get a lot more one-on-one experience with that. So that one's application based only. The silver program is $6.99, so you guys can enroll on that. Anyone can enroll on that. That's open enrollment, but the gold program is application only. So whichever one works best for you, go ahead and apply and enroll, whatever one works best for you. But I want to give you guys that update and welcome you to the Fba Boss Academy. So thank you guys, and let's continue on with the video. And then moving in 2020, at this point, I actually quit my personal training job, my 9-to-5 job, and I went full-time into Amazon. I didn't have 100K in cash just yet. I had about 50, 60,000, and a lot of that money was held up in inventory as well. So I didn't have it fully just yet, but I knew I had enough money to quit my job and kind of try pursuing Amazon full-time. And 2020 is where I went full send. So far, from 2018 and 2019, I've saved up every dollar I could, and I reinvested all that money back into my business. And I started budgeting to help me with all of that. Moving into 2020, I started to create multiple streams of income from there. So I went from having just my Amazon business to my Amazon mentorship program, to affiliate marketing, to YouTube, to coaching and consulting calls. So I had multiple sources of income building up, and that also helped me grow my cash even further. And so moving forward through 2020, which was a great year for my Amazon business, not only did my Amazon business grow, but all my other businesses grew as well. And I was able to, again, reinvest more money back into the business, but I was able to also pocket because I was making so much more. And by the end of 2020, I was able to actually hold well over 100K in cash. And that was a major goal for me. And I was like so happy. I was like, wow, like I've never had this much money in my account before in just cash. Like this is after everything, after I've already paid for my inventory, after everything. This is just money that I just have for myself, right? And I was just like, this is just amazing. And so I was super happy, feeling blessed and everything. And it was crazy. It's crazy to think that only 3 years ago, I only had $500 in my bank account, and now I have well over 100K in my bank account. And it's just insane then. And it's crazy how fast things go, but it's also crazy how like 3 years might seem like a long time for people, but it's actually gone by so fast. That's a short time span to make that much money saved up. You know, there are people who make 6 figures per year, but don't even have 6 figures saved up. But the major keys that have led me to be able to obtain 100K in cash and saved up was, number one, I started to budget and change up my lifestyle, and I kind of stopped spending on unnecessary things. So that was number one. So budgeting and changing my lifestyle and not overspending on things, not living paycheck to paycheck. And number two, I reinvested my profits whenever I can into myself, into my own business when I believed in. Sure, you can invest in stocks for long term and a Roth IRA for the long term and everything, but for more instant gains, investing into yourself and investing into a business you believe in can grow so far. Your potential for income is unlimited at that point. And then number three, I created multiple sources of income from there. So I just didn't stop with my Amazon business. I went out and I ventured out to start other things that were associated with my niche, and I started multiple streams of income. So building multiple streams of income is definitely a way to help you increase your net worth and your cash very, very quickly as well. So those 3 major components in that order is what helped me save up 100K by the age of 24. So now that I have 100K, what am I gonna do with this kind of money? Well, the first thing I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna spend it on smashing the like button for this video because it's super important, super helpful, and it's gonna get me to 10K subscribers. So please do that. It's gonna be very, very helpful. So with this money saved up, I do plan on using the majority of it towards a down payment for a house this year, hopefully in 2021. That is the goal, is to get a house in 2021. But I mean, you never know. So if I can find the right house, there's no reason for me to spend that kind of money. Really, there really isn't. But the goal is at least to get one by the end of the year somewhere. So I'm house hunting, but I'm gonna take you guys with me along that to see the houses and take you along about that process, because it's going to be new to me and it might be new to you and it might be helpful for you guys. But yes, that is the story of how I've accumulated that. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So like and subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you later. Peace.